In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Lyft rides. To get started, download the Lyft app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged in before moving on, since you'll need access to your saved payment methods, location settings, and ride options. After you're in the app, tap the field that says "Where are you going?" and enter your destination. At this stage, Lyft will also show your pickup location. Take a moment to confirm that it's correct, especially if you're in a busy area near large buildings or somewhere with multiple entrances. If needed, you can adjust the pickup spot so your driver can find you more easily. Next, look through the available ride types. Depending on your area, you may see standard Lyft, priority pickup, extra comfort, XL, or premium options like black or black SUV. Each option is designed for different needs, whether you want the most affordable ride, a quicker pickup, more space, or a more upscale experience. Choose the one that works best for your budget and situation. Before you request the ride, review the details on the screen carefully. Check the estimated fare, the expected pickup time, and the payment method that will be charged. This is a good time to update your payment method if necessary, so there are no issues when booking. When everything looks right, tap request or confirm to book your ride. Lyft will then begin matching you with a nearby driver. Once a driver accepts, the app will display important trip details, including the driver's name, the vehicle make and model, the license plate number, and the estimated arrival time. You can also follow the car's movement on the map in real time, which makes it easier to know exactly when to head outside. When your driver arrives, go to the designated pickup location and verify the car before getting in. Match the license plate, vehicle details, and driver information with what's shown in the app. This is an important safety step and should never be skipped. Once you're in the vehicle, enjoy your ride to your destination. If you want, you can use Lyft's trip sharing feature to let trusted contacts follow your trip progress for added peace of mind. After the ride ends, the app will prompt you to rate your driver. You can also leave a tip directly through Lyft if you'd like, and that's all it takes to get a Lyft ride quickly, safely, and smoothly.